Hey everybody, it's Michael Cologne with Travels with Michael, and I'm here with yet another unboxing video. Eventually we'll have to start reviewing stuff, but I wanted to unbox a bunch of stuff. I have this month's Bespoke post, which is for December of 2022. It's actually quite long. I did not expect it to be this long, but this month's loot, it's called Crackle. It is basically an outdoor s'mores kit, and I'm wearing this from one of their previous months. I want to say it was like August or September, but this is called Layers. It also comes with a nice beanie, which I'm not wearing because I'm inside. Yeah, so I'm hitting this over my talking. Sorry about that. But perhaps we should go ahead and see what's inside. So get the scissors that I always have here. I get a kick out of these boxes. They are fun, but it's because I like to find things that I can use when I travel. Since this is a travel channel, I gotta turn this sideways, y'all. Let's come down here. I have to be honest, it did not look this big in the picture, but it's probably because it comes with, I would imagine it comes with long things to cook the s'mores with. I also am giving a gift this Christmas. This is so random, but I found this cute little Hershey's s'mores kit that I thought I would include with it. I'm going to go see family this weekend in the mountains, and I thought this would be the perfect thing to have. So this is a picture called Crackle, and basically it looks like it comes with this little wooden thing and some marshmallows and stuff, and then I would imagine it comes with long wires or something to cook everything with. So joy. Oh, there's all kinds of cool stuff. All right, let's start with this first thing. The small batch fire starter that kindles. So we got fire starter here. It says start fires like a hot damn. Slay wet campfire wood and fire up charcoal barbecues with Abigo fire starters. Yeah, so it looks like fire starter. This is kind of fun. Here is the actual kit itself. Oh, this is really, really nice, you guys. Look at this. It's just a log with a handle. There's a nice fire in there. That's probably what you cook the s'mores in. I would imagine this is just so it's can be used again, but it's also meant to keep it sort of small and self-contained. So that's kind of cool. All right, this is really nice. This is heavy. What is this? Oh my God, this is kind of cool. They're called Campfire Stories deck of cards. Prompts for igniting stories by the fire. Oh, we have to open this since we're just sitting here. This is really nice. Why not? We're just sitting here. Let's see what it says. I'm interested. The idea of it is cute alone. Especially because, you know, I'll be with my niece and my nephews and all my friends and family. Oh, I can't do it. Hold on, I want to do here. Open it really nicely. I want to keep everything intact before we use it, you know. So we're opening it. Oh, yeah, it's just a bunch of cards here. And just tells you how to use this deck. Let's take everything. Oh, yeah, it's just a bunch of cards. Look at this. Yeah, there's just a bunch of stuff like the time you put away the map. Oh, tell a story about the time you put away a map. Oh, I could do that. You know, I travel all the time. Tell a story about an unexpected visitor. Has a picture of a little beaver. Actually, these are really cute. Tell a story about an object you found and kept from your travels. Oh, yeah, we're definitely going to be using this. I got tons and tons of stories. Oh, I can't wait to make some s'mores now. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, so we don't need this. All right, so the next thing is whatever this is, which it looks like it might be actually, yes, classic artisan s'mores kit. It's got, oh, it's a service of 4, so I'm definitely have to buy more since my family is bigger than that, but it comes with marshmallows, graham crackers, chocolate right here at the bottom. Plus, you know, I got this other kit over there, so naturally, we're gonna have a good time. And then, naturally, the reason why this box is so long is there's 2 of these, which are the, oh, they're called a s'mores fork. A s'mores fork, look at that. S'mores fork. And they're not even sharp. They're nice and dull, unless you think them off. But even then, they're not that dull. So this is kind of nice. So that way you can put the marshmallows and everything on without hurting yourself. So it's definitely family safe. And then that's it. The box is empty. So I'm going to put everything back in here for now. So I'm actually driving to the cabin, so that's pretty nice. So this will all keep except for the chocolate. I gotta keep that in the refrigerator. But this will be a fun little thing. I think a nice little activity. And then, you know, if I ever do camping trips or road trips, I can always, you know, take this with me. And especially the campfire story. I think that's going to be a lot of fun, right? So, oh, you guys, this is exciting. I'm glad I got this one. This one I know is really, really good for the holidays, which is what I wanted since I was going to go be visiting family and friends. Just put everything back in here so I don't lose it. But yeah, this is really, really cute. I love this. It's not even heavy at all. So, one log fire. So it shows you everything there. So, yeah, this is my loot from this month's Bespoke post for December of 2022. Again, it's called Crackle. Yeah, see? And basically, it's just an outdoor s'mores kit. So you can keep it nice and self-contained, which is nice, and it's safe for the whole family. So, all right, well, happy holidays, everybody. And this is Michael Colon with Travels with Michael. And I look forward to your next adventure.